Welcome to an exquisite custom Lee Wetherington home nestled in the serene, maintenance-free enclave of Country Club East. Designed with both relaxation and entertainment in mind, this stunning two-story residence boasts impeccable architectural details throughout. With 3 bedrooms, an expansive second-floor entertainment area, and 4 full baths plus 2 half baths, this home offers a versatile floor plan ideal for both family living and hosting guests. The heart of the home is the spectacular kitchen, featuring a walk-in pantry, large island, stainless steel appliances, wine refrigerator, quartz countertops, and soft close solid wood cabinets. Seamlessly integrated with the kitchen is the spacious great room, which opens up to a sprawling covered lanai overlooking panoramic views. Step outside to discover your private oasis, complete with an outdoor summer kitchen featuring new decorative tile, a saltwater heated pool and spa, pool bath, and a generous covered entertainment area with a charming wood accent ceiling and firepit, perfect for year-round enjoyment. Inside, indulge in the luxurious owner's suite, where you'll find a glass shower, jacuzzi tub, makeup vanity, dual walk-in closets, tray ceiling, and dual sinks. Additional features of this exceptional home include impact glass windows, whole house generator, pocket sliders and doors, coffered ceilings, a spacious den/office, landscape lighting, LED pool cage lanai lights, and climate control storage. Recent upgrades include new hurricane-proof garage doors, newly installed outside lanterns, freshly painted inside and out, ceiling fans, and carpeting in bedroom and second floor. Enjoy entertainment with ease with the newly installed outside speakers, perfect for gatherings with friends and family. The landscaping has been enhanced with lush Areca palms, providing both beauty and privacy. Country Club East offers residents the ultimate in gated community living, with amenities such as 3 community pools, a fitness center, and a community clubhouse. Plus, enjoy convenient access to world-class shopping, dining, medical facilities, beaches, and airports.